Okay, to make the flower, again, you don't need a black crayon, but crayon works the best, but you want something black. And what we're going to do is we are going to make 6 spaces for us to color our rainbow flower in. And so I recommend black crayon for your lines and then marker for your flower, but you don't have to do that. But it's going to work a lot better and easier if you do. So I highly suggest it. So what you're going to do first, draw a small circle and a second circle, and then one more time circle. We're going to do it again if you want to get a little funky with it. You can get a little funky with it. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 2 more. So maybe a skinny one this time. And 1 more. So on the outside, we're going to make a bit more of a bumpy edge for our flower. So we're going to wavy, wavy line. Wavy, wavy, wavy. Wavy, 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 wavy. Wavy, 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 wavy. There we go. Okay. So you may start on the inside, like I did here, or you can start on the outside. I'm going to do the outside this time. But wherever you start, whether you start here in the middle or on the edge, we have to stick with rainbow order because that is what we're practicing today. So, the first one you do is red. Red is the first color in our rainbow. Go ahead. Color. And again, if you did like I did, where you're using marker and crayon, the crayon kind of resists where the lines, so your lines don't get icky, and it kind of keeps it nice and get it nice and good. And if you color over the line a little bit, it's okay because we're going to cut this out. All right. Okay. There we go. There's our red. After red comes orange. I like to use the side of my marker again when coloring, so it goes a lot faster. Okay. Then the next color that we need is yellow. So after orange comes yellow. There we go. Alrighty. After yellow in the rainbow comes green. Okay. If at any time I go too fast, you can just pause the video. Okay. After green comes blue. And after blue is purple. And there we go. Our rainbow order is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Alrighty, so all that's left to do for our flower is you have to cut it out. So take your time. Again, you can cut off big pieces at a time, but you want to follow that line as best as you can. It's okay if some of it gets snipped off. That is okay. Now see how I have this big chunk? I might help myself by just cutting it off. That way it's not hanging. And I might do that every once in a while. So take your time. Again, feel free to pause the video because I'm probably going to cut this faster than you are. I've had more practice. But again, as pieces are hanging, I just like to kind of snip them off. And keep going. Okay. All right, we're almost done. All that's left is to kind of glue our pieces together.